What's up, my peoples? Right now I'm going to show you the basics on a regular run that I do on a daily basis. Check it out.
Alright, here we go.
I just made it to the customer right now and I just got to check in with the guard shack. And he's going to give me a door.
He just gave me a copy. Morning. Come on. You said 1-9, right? Alright, so let me share something with you guys. So I just grabbed my cutters. I'm gonna cut them bolts, and what I like to do is cut the bolt off, open the doors at the main gate. Cut. See? I carry my own tools. There you go. Look. I carry my own bolt cutters, and what I like to do is I like to open the doors at the main gate, because sometimes these doors, be careful when you're gonna open them. Yeah, these doors, they're a pain in the butt to get them open. Yep. So in case if I'm having trouble trying to get these doors open, make sure you're good. Yeah, there you go. In case if I'm having trouble getting these doors open, the truck behind you or whoever can help you. Yep. It's good to carry your own stuff. Alright, let's go. Slowly. I gotta go on door 19. So yeah, I do like to open the doors, because what happened is that sometimes when you go to the dock and you're gonna open the doors and you can't get them open because of the corrosion, you know, the sea, the corrosion, the rain. It's hard to get them open, but if I do it at the gate, you know, I feel more confident because somebody's gonna always be there. But sometimes on the dock, nobody's there. Nobody's there to help you. So again, how I do, I get as close as possible on this side. And today I'm pulling a 40-footer, which is not bad.
And this is my door, 19. I just gotta wait for them to come out and open it for me so I can back in.
I'm just gonna go ahead and back up. So in this case, I have 1, 2. That's all I'm gonna count, just 2, because I have a 40-footer. And then I'm gonna swing. I'm gonna swing to 3 o'clock, then 12 o'clock. See, and then go out as far as you can.
Then to 12 o'clock.
Go as far as you can, then to 12 o'clock. That's what you wanna see. See the yellow lines? My tandems will guide me on that yellow line. So this time I close the gap, open the gap, close the gap. I like to open the gap, close the gap.
I don't just leave it on one, you know, I don't just lock it on, you know, when I'm going left or right. I'll just, you know, I play with the steering, you know, I'll go left, right, left, right.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out if they're gonna come out or not. Because they supposed to sign my paperwork. Alright, so right now I'm looking at my tandems. So now I gotta swing them this way. So if I want to do that, I open the gap.
The gap is right here between these two arrows. That's the gap. Okay?
Morning. They only gave me a copy, just one.
You're gonna have to hold on.
Alright. So yeah, in this case,
Let me see that. Can you do me a favor? Could you just make a copy of this?
yeah. So in this case, close the gap is right, open the gap is left. So right now I'm gonna go left to open it, and it's gonna bring me this way. $21? Gotcha.
21, yes.
Yep,
Have
thank
a
you.
good one.
You too. Yeah, there it is. Sometimes you gotta have patience, man. Sometimes they will just give you an attitude. Wait, you're gonna have to hold on. Alright, 21. That's 21 right there. So he wants me to grab that empty there, 21. And I'm giving him this one. So yep, right now, I'm gonna open a gap. What is open a gap? This is open gap. This is closed gap. So gap is what you see right now between the doors. So I'm gonna open gap. Then I'm gonna pull forward a little bit to line up. So I want my tandems to be between them two yellow lines. Then this is open gap. To get my tandems on the other side of that line. Then straighten out. Somebody's there trying to, oh shit. Oh shit. Alright my people, so take your time when you're gonna back in. So again, close the gap is right, open the gap is left. So the gap is between what you see, the trailer next to you and your trailer or container. Alright my people, so take your time and subscribe. That's all you need to do. You know, if you wanna catch up, you know, with me, just subscribe. You know, it's been busy and I've been busy too, you know, but from time to time you see videos. So if you subscribe, then hit on the bell. You will get notified when every time I upload a video. All right, my people. So be safe, take care, God bless. Drive safe, be safe, fly safe. Catch you in my next video. Much love later. God bless.